Hello my lovely Elegance ladies, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Vivienne and I'm the founder of Woman of Elegance, and today is quite a special video for me. It is something that I wanted to share with you all because if it wasn't for you, I would not be on this journey and I wouldn't have been able to amass the amount of subscribers that I have. And it's just been so overwhelming because it was completely unexpected and I'm just speechless. I really wanted to share my joy and delights with you all and celebrate this incredible milestone that we have been able to reach together. Most of you would know that I reached 100,000 subscribers a few weeks ago and counting, and it's just been unexpected. So overwhelming. It's just a beautiful thing to be able to merge your passion with work and achieve something like this. It's the passion and it's the love of what I do that spurs me to be able to create this content. I created without knowing anything about video editing or even video recording. Everything has been absolutely self-taught. I edit all my videos myself, I record everything, and it's really that raw passion that drives me to wake up sometimes at 3 o'clock in the morning after a very long day of work to create this content. So the gratitude that I've been shown through your beautiful comments every single day is just, I don't know how to thank you enough. I really don't. So I just want to say to every single one of you beautiful, elegant, classy, graceful and poised ladies, thank you so much. So without further ado, I am going to unbox this gift that I have received from YouTube, and I want us to do it collectively. So let's get into it. Here we have it, the infamous black box from YouTube, which I received on Wednesday, and I wanted to wait until today to unbox it with you all. So let's get into it. This is not something I've done before. It's very spontaneous, so bear with me if I sound a little bit cheesy. It's just that I'm super excited. I'm peeling off the tape right now. I can't find my scissors at the moment. Here we go. I found a pair of scissors a lot more elegantly than peeling it off with my fingernails. There we have it. Wow. It's so nicely padded up and gorgeous. And I have a letter which I'll read out to you all. Wow. This is just so incredible. I'm just so pleased. I'm so happy. Ladies, here we have it. This absolutely gorgeous silver plaque. Oh my word. Presented to Woman of Elegance for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is beautiful. I'm just so happy. Here is the letter from YouTube and I will read it out to you. Do you remember your first subscriber? I absolutely do. Your 100th? Absolutely. Or your 1000th subscriber? Definitely. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with your Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. I hope I got that right. CEO, YouTube. And there it is. Oh, I'm just so touched. I really am. I just feel like I'm about to burst out crying. I got a little note here from Society Awards. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Such a beautiful thing to have your hard work recognised and awarded. I work so hard on this channel. I really do. It takes me hours to edit. It takes me hours to film sometimes. And I'm a perfectionist, so I always just want to bring you the best. Every single time I watch my videos back, I'm always critical. I ask myself what I could have done better. I just want to give you the most informative, educational content that can really help change your lives. So I'm really grateful, ladies and gentlemen. I do see you in the comments. I'm not going to exclude you. I'm thankful to every single one of you. Thank you. Thank you to my community. There was no way I was going to say a thank you without gifting you anything, because I do teach you when you go to somebody's house for dinner or something, you shouldn't go empty-handed. So I'm not going to go empty-handed today. In order for me to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for every single one of you, I want to gift you something very special. Here I have a gorgeous gift by the coveted brand Hermes. It's a French fashion house which is known globally for being one of the most exquisite and luxurious fashion houses in the world. I want to gift one of you this gorgeous piece. Now have a look. You know how much I talk about scarves, and you know how much I talk about having a silk scarf in your wardrobe? Well, this is what I want to gift to one of you. This absolutely beautiful, brand new silk scarf, hand-picked by myself. It's something that I would absolutely wear, and I want to gift it to one of you. Look at that. Isn't that just luxurious? That's exquisite. That is exquisite. Are you excited? Well, I certainly am. In order for one of you beautiful ladies to win this scarf, the word is coveted. Now, I used this word in my video once. I only used it once. I just felt it was a little bit inappropriate because I wanted to convey the message of having admiration for somebody, but it really does mean jealousy. In order for you to win this scarf, you have to get these 3 points. The first one is that you need to ascertain which video I used the word coveted. Remember, I only used it once, and at what timestamp. Once you ascertain where I used the word, send me a direct message via Instagram telling me the answer. Secondly, you have to tag 3 friends in the Instagram post I'm going to post tomorrow. And then, of course, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, Woman of Elegance. So let's go on a treasure hunt, shall we? Remember, the word is coveted. I want you to tell me which video I use that word in and at what exact time stamp. The closing date for this competition is the 30th of April 2022. I founded Woman of Elegance in 2019, and I just saw it as a way to merge my passion for teaching and for style, for fashion and all things luxury. Fast forward almost 3 years later, I've been able to grow this platform, and I'm so humbled and grateful to be able to do this. Ladies, I'm excited to get that DM from you. I can't wait for one of you to win this piece. I will send it to you no matter what country you live in. Customs and postage will be paid. Ladies, thank you so much once again for joining me on this beautiful journey, and I hope to see many of you more on my channel. Thank you for watching. Good night.